we are both here today with one fundamental objective, and that is to disrupt the primary healthcare space. Now, when it comes to the element of getting medicines delivered to your homes, there are a number of obstacles that you generally go through. But we wanted to overcome this and we wanted to deliver an amazing experience. For that, we are today going to start this initiative with DASIS Aerospace to initiate the project on delivering medications with drones. And with drones, you're going to have an amazing experience where even at places where medication can't be delivered, we will be able to do that with drones. We intend to disrupt and also deliver an amazing experience, not to just people like you and me, but to the rest of Sri Lanka, so that we can again come up high.
At DASIS, we have a grand objective to revolutionize the logistic industry. With partnership of Flash, we are thinking of starting this with medication. And we think faster and economical drone deliveries would be the next thing we are about to experience in Sri Lanka. With the help of Flash, we think we can achieve this and deliver a great experience for all the customers of Flash as well as DASIS. And DASIS, being the pioneer drone platform service provider in Sri Lanka, we are happy to have this partnership.
With the delivery of medication, there are two aspects that we wanted to make sure. One is the element of speed, where you get it in a timely fashion, and two, to ensure safety at all times. Because end of the day, it's medications and healthcare elements that's being delivered. With these two fundamental points, we wanted to build an amazing experience that we could deliver to you. Flash Health and DASIS Aerospace are going to be working hard to make sure to bring this dream a reality.